Okay, let me get this Ford Explorer. I don't know what year this is, but
202.
this here has some problems, so
2002.
let me make sure. It's really rusty under here, but one of the main concerns is this here, these here. We gotta take these off. This is gonna have to be replaced. There is no putting this back together if that flange had come off. It's rusty, the bolts are rusty, and all the rust is rusting into it. So may have to, if it has to come off, this is definitely
Probably welded.
going to have to be replaced. Alright, somebody welded this on here. Someone ran a straight pipe there. So, the lines are not too good, and they may have to be replaced too, but they ain't leaking, but they may, if you touch them, don't know. But we will see. Somebody got a brake line, a compression fitting right there. I remember Scotty Kilmer told people they could do stuff like that. So maybe somebody followed him on that. And alright, what's wrong with this transmission here is the case is gone. See up there, snap ring popped out, the case is cracked. So the whole transmission is going to have to be replaced on here. It's got a bad engine oil leak too. Dipstick tube is pretty rusted too. So he's going to probably need a dipstick tube. I'm going to have to get that from the dealer if they have one. I have to get a dipstick tube. Alright. Let's see. Transmission lines going all the way in here. Alright, so we got a lot to do up here in the rust belt. A lot to do. Alright, as long as we got it. This is a Ford Explorer, I think Sport Trac. Explorer truck thing.